Welcome to the Peachybbies Easter special. Today I'm gonna have Erin and Anna compete to see who can make the best slime using only Easter eggs. But those eggs are hidden around the warehouse with mystery slime ingredients inside of them. 3, 2, 1, go!
I want to get the best eggs I possibly can.
I haven't done an Easter egg hunt since I was like 7.
I had the Easter bunny hide the eggs around the warehouse, so I sent Erin and Anna on a little Easter egg hunt. Whoever gets the most amount of eggs gets an extra 10 points.
Oh, guys, I spot one. Yay! An egg. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna win for sure. I already found an egg. All right. You're not a real rabbit, are you? You don't look like a real rabbit. Not anyway.
An egg right next to mermaid scales, peachy slime.
Are you the Easter bunny? Nah, I don't believe you. Do you remember me from 2004? I didn't think so. You're not the real bunny. Get away from me. Oh.
I got so many eggs. There is no way that Anna's gonna beat me. I'm so good at Easter egg hunts.
That was so scary. I hated it.
Now that you guys have your key slime ingredients, we're gonna introduce these small eggs. So these actually have your charms and your little sprinkles and all that stuff to make it all fancy. So these are actually worth 5 points for every one you use, but you don't wanna go overboard. Be conservative with it.
I really hope I get clear glue because I have this vision of like a clear Easter egg.
Clear glue. Ooh, I got clear glue too.
I don't think that's clear glue.
It's some glizzy.
Okay, this should be activator, hopefully.
Okay, this one's definitely clear glue. Oh, never mind. I like white glue. I think if we add some pigment in there, it'll be really pretty.
So far, this is exactly what I was hoping for.
Did that Easter bunny scare you?
No, I don't think it was real. It was just like a mannequin on the ground when I found it. It just looked like a slushie.
I need more glue.
Time to find out what my third thing is. Is this more clear glue?
I think I activated it a little
Clear glue. Could have got something cool.
All right, guys, we're getting a good slime texture here. It's a bit rubbery, but it's getting somewhere.
Getting a good arm workout. Oh, look at that.
Whoa.
The ideal slime consistency.
Looks like
sludge.
shaved ice.
Shaved ice, yeah.
Mine feels really nice.
I feel like I'm ready to start adding my charms.
Me too, me too. Oh, I hope it's a good one.
So it doesn't sound like anything.
The golden egg. It has to be good. Oh my god! I think they're like little baby squid.
Okay, I was not expecting that.
I got balloons!
Okay, I'm gonna take a chance on this one. Soccer balls! Soccer balls could be Easter related.
Work.
Ooh, these are really pretty.
Yours are more Easter themed than mine. Mine looks so bad.
Ooh, turtles! I'm getting all the cute animals.
This is so much worse than I could have expected.
Something about the gold eggs feel like they're lucky.
Oh no, I don't think this is lucky. It looks like blood.
I really, really hope this is glitter.
It's glitter! Oh, wow!
Let's pure look. You know what? This is coming together. I can see the vision for this slime. I like it so far. I just need some glitter.
I think this is pigment.
What the heck? Half a peep? This is definitely Easter themed.
Oh, that's perfect.
Rabbit.
Do we have to use all of the eggs we open?
Yes.
Do I have to use all of it?
Yes.
Man, fine. I hate these charms.
I actually really like this strange white stuff that came out mysteriously. I think it really adds a lot to my slime.
Look, here's more.
Oh, wow. You should put it in there.
Yeah.
Go ahead. You don't have to put all of them in. Well, no, you have to put all of them in when you open them, but you don't have to put the entire basket in. You put them in until the point where you think it looks good, and then you're like, this is good, which was like 10 eggs ago for you.
At this point, I have to put all of them in. Ooh, this pigment is the brightest pigment I've ever seen. Y'all remember fuzzy socks? These are from fuzzy socks. Why would you add a poop to my slime? That's so rude.
Payback.
This is so rude. Aw, my slime is looking very wholesome right now.
I'm gonna do one more.
Can I have one of yours?
No, you can't.
Why not?
Because you don't need any more points, Anna. If you look at your eggs, you have plenty. I think you're okay.
I think I need one
I
more.
think you're okay, actually.
All right, I got my last one. A bunny! Oh, this rolls couldn't have been more perfect for my last one.
Adorable.
This will be the topping.
Anna was definitely ahead of me on points, but she used way too many charms and pigments.
Now that you guys have made your slimes, what is that? Put the slimes in here for judging, and yeah, good luck.
Thank you.
Anna, you're gonna need it more.
Really? Thank you.
Mine's looking like one big brown rainbow.
Mine looks like blood and guts. This is not what I had envisioned at all.
Yeah, I don't know about this one, Erin.
At least yours is colorful. I think it's Eastery and colorful. The human heart in my hand.
You know what? I like yours, Erin. Yours has soul.
Mine has heart. Mine has drama.
Ooh, mine is turning into kind of like a moth, like a purple.
Okay, I want to get one more egg so that I can do a topper.
All right, I think I'm ready to top mine with the bunny. Very Easter vibes. Easter sludge.
Easter sludge. That's cute. I think I'm ready with mine too.
Oh,
It's actually not that bad. It looks like Chuck E. Cheese blew up.
With our slimes finally done, it was time for Christian to pick the winner.
It's time for judging, and wow, Erin, that is horrendous, to say the least. And Anna, were you even trying? That just looks like sludge.
don't you see the bunny?
I do see the bunny, but why is it covered in that white stuff? That is just absolutely not. And you with your hands,
My hands are not part of the competition.
I can't say what it would be legally, you know? Like, you did something messed up, and I don't know what it is. So, you know what? You both failed to capture the spirit of Easter. These both are horrendous. I'm so appalled. We both lose.
It's really not that bad.
No, come on here.
Hey, I mean, come on.
Oh my gosh, go.
Well, what did we learn here? Erin and Anna cannot make slimes about Easter. But thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next week. Bye, y'all.